how to add music to Facebook posts. So in order to do that, click on what's on your mind. You can add in here any text, any photo or video. You can customize it to your liking. You can show it to friends or everyone. And then once you have set up everything, you can head over and click on these three dots right here. Click on that. In here, you can scroll down and on the very bottom, you can see in here the option called music. Click on that. And then from here, you can see any music that you want. There are just some suggested music. So you can head over and search for music that you want to use. So for example, let's head over and then search right here for hot. And here's the music that I want to use. You can click on this right here to play it. And then once you have played it, you can head over and click on it. And then you can head over and then upload any picture that you want to use for this case as well. So let's use this. And then as you can see, it's been added, and click on done. From in there, click over right here to post, and then it will be posted. So that's how you add music to Facebook posts. Hope we helped.